You know how they say that when your baby's sleeping, you should be sleeping? Well, my baby's asleep and I'm here shooting a video instead. As the saying goes, when the cats are away, the mice come out to play. Hey everybody, it's your girl Danie, and I am back with a new series entitled While You Were Sleeping and I Should Have Been Sleeping, But I Wasn't. And so this whole series is going to capture what I get up to when she's taking her precious naps. So, as per suggested by Twitter, because they keep sending me notifications that are totally random, they told me recently that Jackie, Aina, and my sister liked this Chloe Morello winged eyeliner tutorial, and I was like, why are you telling me this? Well, I guess for a moment like this, because all of a sudden I was like, ooh, I want to learn how to do the winged eyeliner. So that is what I'm gonna get up to right now. Oh, speaking of Jackie Aina, I'm coming for one of your looks too, girl, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already to see what I'm getting up to, then I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds to do that right now. Now. Okay, now. Anyways, if you like the channel, please do subscribe. Let's get at it because time is of the essence. I cracked open the laptop. I have the tutorial in front of me. It's the in-depth winged liner tutorial. I ain't trying to bite anybody's style. I'm really just trying to learn. Sometimes these people make it look so easy and then you do it and it's like garbage and it's like, oh my goodness. So I just want to share with you my experience. I did previously skim through to see what products she was using or what I would need. But other than that, I haven't watched through the whole tutorial. I haven't tried it. So let's do this. Oh, and I'll be linking her information in the description box below so that you too can check it out should you want to, of course. Of course.
And today's video is going to be a perfect winged...
Oh, and I skipped through the ad because ain't nobody got time for that. So that's why it seems like it's already kind of started. She already started talking. Wait, let's scrub to the beginning.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Chloe, if you don't already know me.
I didn't know her.
Today's video is going to be a perfect winged eyeliner video.
Perfect winged eyeliner. She's British. Uh-oh, baby snap, crackle, and poppin', which means we ain't got much time.
On winged eyeliner. I wonder how many of you have been watching me for a while because...
No. Okay, we're gonna scrub through.
If you switch it around, it's in English. Instant Light Natural Lip Perfector.
Okay, she's talking about her lips. Skip.
There's gel eyeliner, which is coming in a little pot. There's also liquid eyeliner, which is a brush that you dip into black liquid.
That sounds terrible.
Eyeliner, which I think is
sounds like I make a mess.
And then of course the easiest way, I believe, is with a pen. The Clarins Graphic Ink Liner is a felt tip eyeliner.
Okay, so I went to Sephora, ran to Sephora. I lie. I'm totally lying. A, I didn't run, and B, I didn't even go. My sister was at the mall and we were on the phone and I was like, baby sis, can you please, pretty please, with your cherry on top, grab me the Clarins graphic liner, which they didn't have. And so what I got, or she got me, was the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. Yes, Kat Von D. Tattoo liner instead. I told her to ask them for something that was similar to that because I had sent her the image. And so, oh my goodness, holding too many things. I'm gonna close this up when I actually come to do the tutorial. But basically it is a felt tip liner like she says that we need. Okay, let's proceed.
Different types. You can also get ones that have bristles at the end, which can also get a really fine effect.
Okay, let's get straight to the tutorial.
More difficult to use. The felt tip is definitely the easiest to use,
okay.
And I always find you get a much more fully opaque black effect.
Okay, script. Oh, okay. I went too forward.
I do that one first. I feel like it helps me get the other eye better as well because I'm right-handed. It's just more easy for me to do it that way because when I go and do this eye, I have to flip the bristles around, which is a little bit harder. Resting my elbow on the table.
Oh, I need a table.
Down into a mirror. I will always start the eyeliner to be very thin in here.
Okay, I'm gonna resituate myself and get back to the video. Okay guys, I'm back. Actually baby had woken up and I don't know how much more time she's going to give me because it was hard to get her down. And so we're gonna try to wrap this up. See, that's another thing. While they're sleeping, sometimes you want to try things and you ain't got the time to even try. Anywho, I'm not gonna waste the time. Ooh guys, look at me looking like a Neutrogena model. Okay, that's enough. So again, here's the tattoo liner. It's gonna focus in a second. The felt tip. Voila. So I'm gonna be using that one. Hopefully that doesn't alter my results. And my camera's gonna zoom in and out because it's on auto focus, and I'm gonna be using my camera as my mirror. So let's see what happens, okay? Okay, let's go.
You know, my natural eye shape there, and then it will begin to thicken as I get further out toward the end of my eye, and then it will extend
So
out
she's giving
into a wing.
the instructions.
So I can either start the eyeliner there, or I can start the eyeliner there at the end. But usually I feel like I normally start in the middle. So elbow on the table, I've got that pivot motion, so I'm not getting shaky hands or anything like that.
Okay.
I'll also put my pinky gently on my face, so that way I've got even more stability. So I'm holding
No, that's not working out for me.
like that. And that way I'm kind of stamping on the straight
She moved
line.
her hand.
It's a really good hack, especially if you are not good at eyeliner, like most of us.
Okay.
The further you get to the inner part of the eye, you can start to roll the pen outwards, so you're stamping with just the thinnest part. And I like to push my lashes down a little bit, so I'm making sure I'm getting the eyeliner right in amongst my lash line. So I've just focused on doing the straight line then, and then I can go about doing the wing. So for the wing, it's very important that I look straight ahead. So my eyes are open, so I can see where the wing is going to be.
Wait, Chloe, wait.
This is very important because if you do it,
Okay, I have to pause her because she's going way too fast for me, and I'm messing up because I'm afraid. But this is what she's doing. Oh no, my camera. The focus. I can't see. It's blurry. Okay, maybe I can fix it. It's a little, I mean, it's gonna wing out there anyway, right? Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna stop for now. No, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. Okay, let's keep going.
When you open your eyes and the crease forms, so when your eyes open, there's that little crease. Mine ends here. That can actually morph the line. Like if I show you here on my hand, if I show you here on the palm of my hand.
Okay, don't close your eyes. Blah, blah, blah.
That crease there, right? So if I did a line here.
Oh great, it's gonna go to commercial, of course. You know what, I'm actually gonna switch to manual focus.
A line here. You can see that, right?
So that I can actually tell it to focus right here, because I don't want it to keep moving. I need to achieve this thing.
That you're doing the line of the wing when your eyes are open. It's hard because you kind of have to switch between keeping them open and looking down, because you do have to make sure the wing also looks good when you're looking down. So what I like to do is open my eye and draw a very fine little dot where I hope the wing is going to end. So it's a fine little dot. You might not even be able to see it on the video, but it's there and I can see it myself.
I don't see anything.
I feel like that is going to be
I'm gonna make a little dot.
place to end it. It's going to continue from my waterline.
No, I want it to be too long.
Extend up
right
through
here.
that part. So I
don't see a
can
thing.
just really lightly with my eye open start to draw that in.
Okay, so my eye's supposed to stay open, she says. Okay.
So I've just done it very lightly there. As you can see, it's kind of disjointed because my eye was open. But when I look down, it's still in a straight line. So it's in a straight line when my eyes open.
Oh my goodness, this liner's not even writing anything.
And it's in a straight line when I look down. That's how I know it's going to be the correct shape for the wing.
What's wrong?
And I'm just going to start building on that.
Okay, I have to pause her again because my liner's not even doing anything. Why isn't my liner doing anything? Maybe this is better with a mirror. 2 lines. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do a little damage control. Oh, I made it worse.
So I'm looking ahead of myself and joining the wing in to make sure that it looks smooth when I'm looking at myself and when I'm looking down. That looks really good. I'm gonna take some concealer. I really like
this looks really bad.
To be
She's done, y'all.
It's really handy.
She did her
because
thing.
you just twist it for the concealer to come out, and I've got a really nice, precise brush applicator there for one step. I'm loving how this is coming out. So I'm gonna use the concealer.
Hey guys, so I'm trying to salvage what I've done here, and I just keep making it worse. Like I keep adding lines. The tutorial has come and gone, and I'm here just making lines. Like I can't even get it to kind of wing. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go to the bathroom and try again, just to fix it because it's already on my face. And you know what? I don't think it's actually that bad. As you can see, I fixed it. I think the error really stems from not having the mirror. Like, to really get that up close. Like, using the camera, like I can't get that precision. So right here, I'm in my goodie bag and I'm looking for my concealer, because I'm gonna do as she does and clean out the parts of the line that are no buenos. I think, let's see. Yeah, I definitely need a mirror. Okay guys, so you definitely need your mirror, because I was able to really get that precision once I went in nice and close, and you'll see with the concealer and everything that I achieved this things. Now this eye is the eye I mostly messed up on. This one is the one I did completely in front of the mirror, and as you'll see, like, it's pretty bang on. It's pretty much like how she showed you to do it. And I'd say they're pretty nice. And there you have it, folks, my very first episode of While She Was Sleeping. And I should have been sleeping, but I wasn't. I think I successfully achieved this look. I will be linking Chloe's video in the description box below. She gave good instructions that ended up with good results. Yeah, so I'll be dropping that in the description box below, so feel free to check her out and all the other great stuff that she's up to. I'm going to be continuously looking for new videos and other things that I could be doing while she's asleep, so make sure you stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss out. Like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Let me know I did a good job in the comments below. And all of a sudden I'm feeling like I should have slept. And I'm probably gonna see if I can join in on that nap right about now. Anyways, check out Danie.com because the fun continues there. That's about it from me. I hope you had a wonderful week. Hope you have a wonderful week. And I will, oh, of course, remember that you are beautiful, you are smart, and you are loved. And I will see you in my next video. I feel like I should add some lashes. Like, I feel like that would take it up here. I don't know, maybe it's too much. We'll see.